Hey sewers, are you ready to take your sewing to the next level? My name is Fee Tanner. I'm a sewing teacher and costume maker. I'm excited to share that the pre-sale is launching soon for the sale of my Sew Like a Pro kit. I get a lot of new and improver sewers asking me questions about their machines, about their stitching, about how they can make things better. And so I have put all of these things together in a new course called Sew Like a Pro Kit. Sew Like a Pro contains 9 masterclasses, and I'm going to tell you about 3 of them here. Smooth sewing machine setup. I'll show you exactly how to thread up your machine so that you get nice, smooth, even stitching. Straight and curved edge mastery will show you how you can sew nice, even seams that are both curved and straight when you want them to be. The Stitchery Mystery Locker will unveil different stitching techniques, so you'll know the difference between understitching, top stitching, and stay stitching. You'll learn the secret skills to make your stitching and home sewing look like professional shop-bought clothes. The pre-sale price is £7 up until the 16th of October when the price goes up. The normal price is going to be £99, so you can grab it now at the pre-sale price. The classes are going to be dropped and ready on or before the 31st of October. If you're ready to take your sewing up a notch without stressing over mistakes, then comment yes, and I'll send you the link when it's ready. Sew Like a Pro starts here.